How to fix iPhone screen flickering issues after iOS 17.5 update. So let's get started. Firstly, start by restarting your iPhone. Whenever you run into such minor issues with your iPhone system, restarting your device should be the first thing you do. After you do so, check for physical damage. Physical damage to your iPhone can make the screen start to flicker. If you dropped your phone and the screen started flickering afterward, it has most likely got physical damage. In that case, simply take off the protective case from your iPhone, then carefully examine your device for any dent, breakage or cracks, and don't forget to check for water damage as well. If you do find signs of physical damage, then get your iPhone repaired as soon as possible. After that, in some cases, your iPhone's brightness settings can interfere with your screen. Adjusting the display settings may fix your iPhone screen flickering. So simply go to the settings and tap on display and brightness option available there. After you tap on the display and brightness, drag the brightness slider and turn it to the lowest minimum level. Wait for a couple of minutes and turn the brightness back to normal as well. Another thing you can try is simply change your light mode to the dark mode in the brightness. Now after that, go back to the settings again, then tap on the accessibility option available there. Then tap on the display and text size and enable reduce transparency option available there. Scroll down and turn off auto brightness. Then that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.